Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tracking EV charging with Expensify for business trips, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable tracking EV charging with Expensify for business trips, start by opening the Expensify app on your mobile device. Log in to your Expensify account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Tap on the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Categories option and select it. Here, you will find the option to add or manage categories. Create a new category specifically for EV charging expenses. Label it as EV charging for easy identification. Now, return to the main dashboard. Start a new expense entry by tapping the New Expense button. In the expense entry screen, select the EV charging category you just created. Next, enter the date of the charging session. Add the total amount spent on charging your vehicle. Include a brief description of the charging location for your reference. If applicable, attach a photo of the charging receipt by tapping the camera icon. Make sure to enable any location tracking features offered by your device. This can help record the location of charging stations used during your travels. After filling in all necessary details, tap Save to finalize the expense entry. To view or edit your EV charging expenses later, return to the dashboard. Select the Expenses tab to see all your recorded entries. If you need to categorize expenses further, use the filter options to view only EV charging. Review your entries regularly to ensure accurate tracking for reimbursement. When submitting an expense report, be sure to include your EV charging expenses. This simplifies the reimbursement process for your business trips. By following these steps, you can efficiently track EV charging expenses with Expensify for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.